Hello everyone. Audible? Hello. It's audible? You can reply in a chat if I am audible. Okay, that's great. So let's wait for few others people. Then we'll start. Okay. Till that, if anyone have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. We'll wait last 2 minutes. Then we'll start. Okay. Okay. So let's start. So today's session is screen visible. I hope it will be. Okay, it's visible. So today we are going optimizing queries with the simple query routing and about line graph, nebula graph, knowledge graph for the rack system. Okay, and how we can implement the auto retrieval and optimizes queries for multi-query routing and query routing techniques. So this is a part of the advanced rack. Got it? So let's start. Let me share my another screen. Okay, so let's start with the knowledge graph. So before diving into the knowledge graph, okay, we will see why there is a need of the knowledge graph. Okay, why like we are just saying that knowledge graph is an advanced technique of the RAG. Why we are not considering the vector DB? So if we talk about the vector DB, as you can see on the screen, okay, so data is in the particular X and Y format. Okay, where every point with the combination of x-axis and y-axis, with the combination of x-axis and y-axis, a particular data point is there, okay, or plotted. And now whenever I am going there and applying the similarity, okay, similarity basis on the words, I'm not able to draw the relationship. Okay, so take example of relationship that like take example of I have the few friends on my LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, and there is one other like person who also have the particular like connections and friends. So there is some relationship between his profile and my profile, which is we known as a mutual connections. Got it? So this is how that it's work. Now, when we are talking about knowledge graph, so what will happen in that scenario is very simple and straightforward, that most of the database that currently we have, it consists of the relational databases. Okay, we don't have like databases is just without connectivity. No, if we'll go, most of the database are RDMS, relational database management system, where mostly uses MySQL and PostgreSQL. Okay, so this kind of databases are there. And when we talking about the relational database, its name suggests only it is a relation. It have the relation between the tables, between the columns, rows, values, data. So when we talk about the relations, so that relation that you cannot be define, justify in the vector database, because whole data is saved in the form of the matrix, and where you are trying to build the like relationship based on the similarity formula. Okay, and you cannot be properly map particular matrix or the data or the text on the basis of that particular like formula, that kind of it is similar. If it is similar, then we can say okay, this is the part of this one. No, it cannot be done. So whenever we are saying that we want to convert a relational database, okay, because this is the advanced techniques of RAG. So if I'm going in the direction of RAG, what will happen? I need advanced RAG. Okay, I need, sorry, in the direction of RAG, I need to put my relational database data into the RAG, so that my chatbot or whatever the service that I'm trying to build, that can be work on that. So in that case, the performance and the accuracy of the search engine or the Q&A system, okay, it will not properly that we can achieve. So that's why we need a knowledge graph. So what the knowledge graph will do, as you can see on the screen, knowledge graph have the architecture similar to the graph data structure. Okay, so that have the connections. So there is one more image is there, so that will give you the better understanding. See, so Elizabeth, okay, so see, president restored by this, okay, born on this, okay, child of this, succeeded of this, death in. So as you can see, this is a proper mapping is there. If I will talk about, I will talk about like when Elizabeth first die, so we have the proper mapping 1603. And if something similar or something happen in 1603, so what I can do, I can map, take example of this one. Okay, if the something is happen on here, so what I can do, I can create a one more node, again one more node, okay, again one more node. So something like this I can able to create it. So what will happen in that condition, I can say in 1603, if user will ask what happened in 1603, then I can say whatever the nodes are connected with the 1603, it it is the part of that particular year. So this is very easy. This is very easy to fetch out. If I will say give me the details of the all, give me the details of the Elizabeth. So what will happen? All the edges which is connected with the Elizabeth node will be given very easily, and I can able to convert my relational database into the knowledge graph. So that's why we are building the knowledge graph. So this is how that it's work. Got it? So I will give you few more example, so that will give you the like moreover good picture. And you have any doubts, then please go ahead. Till that I am searching a good image. Okay, here it is. Let me share. See, it's very simple image, but let's give the good clarity again. See, living things. Okay, living things, plants, herbs. So animal is living things, plants is living things, herbs is plants, herbs is plants, and plants is living things. Cows eat herbs. Okay, cow is animal, dog is animal. So this is how you can able to connect it. Getting my point? How well that it has been connected. See, cow eat herbs, herbs is plants, plants is living thing. So if I will say, give me an example of living thing. So animal, animal is connected with the dogs. Okay, plants, plants is connected with the herbs, and cow. So this is how it's work. Got it? Let's do one more example. No issue. So here's one more example is there. Let me open. Yeah, this is also good one. We can consider this as well. See, Andy, professional programmer. Date of birth 1983. Wife Amy, born in Washington. Now Bob is also born in Washington. So I don't have to repeat my data. Getting my point? I'm I'm here not repeating my data. I'm just only giving the connection of Bob with the Washington, which is already done by the previously. Now only I have to just make it connection. Now this is the same. Okay, now Bob have wife professional teacher. Now take example here. Okay, I will do little bit of the change here, so that will give the one more good example. Just remove this particular we will remove. Okay, just ignore this part and take example. Alan is a professional is programmer. Then what will happen? It will going to connect to here. This is how that it will work. Or if I will remove this, Allen born in New York, instead of that, I will say Allen born in Washington. So it will connect it something like this. Got it? Again, if I will convert the Bob, he's not lawyer. He's also a programmer. Then what will happen? It is connected to this. Got it? Now I will remove this as well for your understanding. Bob, date of birth is 1983. Again, they are the twins. Then got it? So this is how that it's work. Now I think it giving the good picture. Everyone, I hope. Yeah. So let's dive into few of the code. So there's few like approach are available in the LangChain. Okay. So we'll see that one how it's working. So constructing the knowledge graph is one of the difficult. Again, how efficiently you are constructing the knowledge graph. It is the same way how efficiently you are dividing your data into the chunks and splitting it properly. Okay, so the same way, the same approach is required here. How properly you are dividing your data. Okay, how properly you are dividing your data into the nodes, root node, sub nodes, interconnected. So this is how that we have to be see how construction of knowledge graph will happen. Okay, so like we'll give the OpenAI. Then we have the community LangChain community graph and import 4j graph. Why 4j graph? Neo 4j graph it is. So one of the most popular library, okay, or we can say the database is available where you can save your knowledge graph data. That is Neo 4j graph. That's it. you want to save the data of the numbers as a vector. So we are using chroma and like pinecone and others. But in the case of the graph, if you want to save the data that you creating in a form of knowledge graph, then you have to use Neo4j graph. Got it? So let's see that. After that, you have to give all the like connection string, username, password, then llm graph transformer. Okay, so this is a proper function is available. Okay, class is available, llm graph transformer. Then you given this particular data and you will give the document, convert to graph document. You have to pass the documents and you will able to see this. See, I will explain one more time. Okay, maybe it will be very fast. Here I just define my Neo4j graph instant. Okay, either local host or cloud, whatever. After that, I define my LLM, which is Chat GPT. Okay, GPT, OpenAI, GPT-4 Turbo, and after that, give the LLM graph transformer. Variable is LLM transformer. In LLM transformer, I have a function, okay, which is convert to graph document. This is my document or text that you can say graph document. Okay, got it? Now what I will do, I will print it. See, Mary Q professional, automatically everything has been done. Getting my point? Automatically, you don't have to do anything. That doesn't matter that it is efficient. No, here you have to again apply your logic, your decision. That's why I'm keep on saying. That's why I'm keep on saying your job will not going to be lose. You are not going to be lose your job. Why? It's not possible because at the each step you have to take a good decision. Okay, so that's why you are very important. Okay, now what we will do, we'll say LLM graph transformer, allowed nodes, person, country, organization, relationship, nationality, located in, worked in, and spouse. So on the basis of this, our graph will change. See, only this that I need, nothing else. Here automatically everything has been done, which is unnecessarily I'm doing. There's no need of it. I need only this kind of data. So it will do only this, nothing else. Nationality, we given. Okay, work dead, we given. Spouse, we given. Okay, located at, I think this is a mistake. Instead of this, it should be located at instead of the nationality. Okay, I think this is a mistake. I think so. Okay, so we'll check this one into the art text. See, so was born in here. Chemist is a professional. Okay, he was the first. She was the first Nobel Prize person, and twice. Okay, so become a professor. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. There's no data of nationality has been given. Let's search Poland, France. What is a France or what was that? Yeah, France. Okay, so it's done on the something different data. Okay, that's, I think we can ignore that one. After that, I will able to do like more node properties, born year. Okay, so this is how that you will able to create a proper knowledge graph. Got it? So this is about the knowledge graph. Now, which library that you will use apart from the like LangChain? So there is one more library is available, Nebula Graph. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Give me a bit. Okay, Nebula Graph versus Neo4j. We'll see a proper comparison. So Neo4j, Nebula, and Genus Graph. They are the three like good is available. See, yeah. So platform is available here. Data import, one hop query, two hop query. So there are a lot of the like possibilities on which that your use case should be depend. So on the basis of that, you can able to take a decision. Data import performance, 1 degree friends query performance, shared friends query performance. So again, you have to take a decision based on your query, how well, uh, how based on your use case, how well that your use case required at what level of the latency. So in that condition, you can choose whatever that you want to be. But for the learning purpose, I will prefer like a neo4j that you can use very easily. It's easy to available. You have to go how to set up it. So let's see. Go here. Okay, get started free. Start free. So console will open. Okay, here you will log in it. So I already logged in. So let me open it. Give me a bit. Okay, so it is free. Select free one. Okay, after you log in, so generate password is there. Okay, so it or download and continue also that you can do. Okay, so it will download and hit enter. This is always like wasting our time. Okay, so new instant again. Yeah, escalating the instance. Sorry, my bad. So let's wait 1 or 2 minutes. So instant will create. So I will tell you, this is a database. Okay, this is a database like MySQL, PostgreSQL. Okay, this kind of database it is. So with the help of this, you will able to store your data, because this is very important. You can create your knowledge graph, that's okay, but where you will store? So when we want to store the relational database, then what we will use? So till that it will load, I will give you that glimpse as well. Okay, let's take an example. I want to store the relation data. Okay, what will happen in that case? MySQL and PostgreSQL. Okay, I need a JSON type database data, we can say. So in that case, MongoDB is there. Okay, now as we learn that we need to save vector data. Okay, so in that case, how we use and what we use? So there's a so many vector DBs are available. Chroma, okay, Pinecone, okay, Redis is there, is supporting. Okay, Elasticsearch is supporting. So there are a lot of are there. Quad it's there. Okay, so this is how that is work. Now I created one more type of data, which is knowledge graph. Okay, so where I will store that data? So knowledge graph data, how I will store knowledge graph data? So I have that as well. Neo4j data, Neo4j. Okay, so this is how that it works. What's the name? Neo4j. Yeah, Neo4j. So Neo4j, Nebula graph. So this is the databases. This is the databases where you are storing your data. Once you are converting your text data into the proper required data format in which uh, you want to use in the case of the RAG or advanced RAG, to increase the efficiency of your RAG. So here our instance is done. Okay, so now we'll do the practical. Just open the collab. Okay, sorry guys, actually I'm not well today, so that's why. So I will copy the code from here and I will paste it here. So I will run this first. Okay, and I am copying the data. Okay, so make everyone life easy. I will take uh, we have the data. Okay, so I am using grok, so I will install the grok as well. Okay, and here's my key. Okay, so I will give the key as well. Okay, so I will take my key from the grok. Okay, if you guys are working, then you know how to take it, so I will not repeat it again. Okay, here is my key. So this is my key. So you can see key is there. Now I will use this code, which is most important. See, LangChain graph. Now I need this neo4j URI. Okay, so I will go here. What I need, username, password, or URI. Okay, so I will go on the neo4j, share this tab. Okay, click on here or open, I think. Yeah, they changed the UI. Yeah, okay, so it's opening, it's open. Okay, so once I will open, so see, credentials is there. Okay, so I will this connection URL, copy, connect. Okay, I will paste it here. Okay, then ID password. Okay, so we'll search for the ID password where they are located. They totally changed the UI. That's bad, यार. ऐसे मत करो. User management, I think. Okay, connect. Okay, yeah, they changed the UI, I think. Hmm, account details, instant, instance. So this is the instance. Explore, general. Oh, here it is, I think. Okay, explore. No. Query. No. Oh, here it is, I think. Disconnection, connection, change password. Yeah. Okay, so we need a password, so that will not available. Huh, a lot of change things has been changed, buddy. So we'll go here. So this is free. Okay, we'll click on it. Okay, and where's my password? Rename, clone to existing. No password. What? Let's see. Import data. No data I need. Get back to instance. So rename, clone, open. Let's open one more time. Hope we'll able to get at the starting time. Recent connection, connect. This is there. So we'll cancel it. Wait, let me share my whole screen. That help everyone. Now it will be good. Okay, so let's guys search it. Organization, user management, username and password. Aura is there. Connect is there. Rename, upgrade, user management. It's the admin. No, I don't need admin, man. System preference. Let's search. Username. I think username and password. Neo4j console. Operation manual. Okay. Nothing is there. Total UI has been changed. Letting started. Let's see. Maybe it will help us. Okay. Okay. Previously it was something like this. Now it is not coming something like this. So that's the issue. It's getting confused. Us. Explore string database default database general no. Phew. Instant change password. For the change password, I need a existing password. How I get it? Okay, so let's default perspective. Let's create. Just read this, okay, and we'll see if we will able to get ID and password at the time of creation. Let's do this one, okay. So new instant, select. So let's this is the password. Na yaar. That's what that I'm thinking of. Something has went wrong. So when we are creating nowadays they are giving something like this. So this is so copy. Whole UI has been changed. So that's why it's so I download it also. So now there's no need to download again. So it is creating. Sorry, my bad. So it's creating. Just wait. So let's close till that this. Okay. So Grok API is there. Everything is there. Now we need only the. So this is close, 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 close. Okay. Till that we'll save our time. To save our time, transformer. We'll put it here. Okay. So instead of this, I will use my Grok. This one, not ChatGPT one. Grok API is there. Lava is there. Chat Grok I will import. Okay. So this is we can run it. Okay. Yeah, it's running. So something went wrong, isn't it? Okay, so I have to install this one as well. Okay, so, and let's see. Yeah, connection. Right. Okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Now this is perfect. Now this is installed. This. Let's see it's working or not. It's done. This is also done. Everything goes well. Now I will copy this. Now this. Okay. Now I'm not able to see the graph, isn't it? Oh, Okay, so graph is not visible here. Okay, now we will go here, open this. Okay, so open this one, so you will able to see that data is available here now. Okay, so we will connect it. Oh, they are asking the database username. Okay, so this is 𝗥𝗏 database username. This is my password. This is password. Connect. Says I will save it for my future use. So anything is there. Explore. Let's see. Scene is empty. Oh, why? I given the data. This is this. This is this. This is this. So let's run it again, isn't it? Query. Nothing is there. What? Let's wait for a few minutes. Maybe it will sync. It's taking time. There will be the possibility. Or I think so. Instead of this, what we can do, we can change this to this. Okay, and copy and this. Now, okay, bold plus this. Let's see, will it work? Let's see. Okay, connect. See, I think now we get a data. Explore. Okay, let's click it here. No data. Something went wrong. Let's wait. I think there's something going wrong till that. Neo4j connection string is E03. Okay, E03 is there. If I will change this one, then what will happen? Will give the incorrect. Yeah, it is giving the incorrect. That means it is correct one. Then it will take time. Let's run one more time. I have the few more code. Let's try to run. Oh, storing. No, we are not storing. My bad. I forget to just keep this one. Graph documents is not found. Yeah, wait. I got it. I got it. So here we put this one. This is. We have to add it. Yeah, I forget. My bad. Sorry. Okay, so let's go query. Refresh it. Yeah. See, explore. Refreshing data. So here's the data. Person, relationship, everything is here. Now if you want to see, then you can select organization. So scene is empty. No, you can do the query. See, person, see, university, marine, table is there, row is also there. Whatever that we save, everything is there. Okay, now if we'll go with the this, so connection is there. Now what I will do, I will copy paste this and I will run this code, run it, and then we'll save this as well. So that will give the something more in the database. So go here. Okay, refresh it. 3 nodes. Okay, so relationship is there. See, so this is how it's. So star and star. See, star. So I will close everything. Now I will click on star. See, this is how that it's look like. Okay, university, Mary, and this is how it's work. Got it? Data, ID, name, everything is there. Now your data is available here. Now you can just put your rag and you can start pulling your data on the base on your query from the rag instead of the vector DB. So this is how that you will able to do your rag component on the graph database. Okay. Now if anyone have any doubt, then please know. I will share this. Okay, we'll try to explore if something that we can be. Okay, organization, in scene, relation, all. So, see, show me the graph, person, see, person married to person to whom. So, something like this also that we can do. See, everything is there. So, whole data is available here. Now, if I will go, okay, on I will take a proper text is there. I have a proper text. Okay. And I will copy that text, put it here. Okay. This is project details. There's one project is there. Okay. I am doing this, adding into it. You can just load the whatever PDF that you are currently working on. So I just put it project details, run all the cells one more time, and I shared this tab. Now we will go on the query, we'll refresh it, project details something this. See, project details. Now I have the data of the project details. See how connected it is. So this is how, this is one data. If you will able to see, this is one data, this is the second one. So this is how that you can do. And if you will go on the explore, okay, if you'll go on the explore, then again you can search. Okay, and like organization, and if I will see professor, run, see university. Okay. So this is how that is work. Now I will use a database. So this is in my any, okay, in my text. So see, database which vector database. So I will show you the text as well. So if you will see rag pipeline, use this one, everything is available here. So this is how that's it's work. So this is all about the knowledge graph. Okay, once you put in the your knowledge graph, your data into knowledge graph, after that you can start chunking, model, query, the same way that you are doing in the rag. Got it? Oh wait, me if, uh, now visible, sorry, now visible, now visible. Okay, great. So this is how that. Okay, so I will give you the one more time. So I put my few data. Okay, this is a project detail. Then I run it. I will run it again. Okay, so this is how that I did. Wait, something. Yeah, I run it, I save it, then I will check it. Okay, network issue, error code failed to please adjust your prompt, failed to generation. So okay, so I already save it, that's why it's not giving me the save one more time. So I will come here, I will refresh page. So if I will see, so see, this is how that is work. See, the things are connected like this. So it's duplicate data, so that's why it's not giving the permission. Okay, so if I will go on the explore, I click it here, model any run. So which model uses LLM model? Vector DB is database. Got it? So this is how that it's going to be work. So this is all about that we can say knowledge graph. Got it? So now you have the knowledge graph experience as well, but again it's depend how well that you are doing in the case of your particular use case or the project, how you will see which model or which database that you have to be used. So this is how that it's work. Got it, everyone? If anyone have any doubt, then please let me know. Okay, okay, then I think that's it for today. I hope everyone able to understand the knowledge graph related thing, how it's work, what are the rules and regulations about it. Got it? So I need to practice more. Yeah, everyone have to need to practice more. Yeah, it's like okay then people. Bye then. Take care. Have any doubts then please share on the channel and I will give the confirmation. So one thing that I want to tell everyone, there is a no need to ask. Okay, there is no need to ask every time that my task, my assignment has been submitted, do you get it or not? Okay, if you will submit, then we received it. It's next to impossible to us to check each and every assignment once you will submit it. Okay, if you submit it, okay, and you fill the form of the project, then it's we got it. If you didn't submit the form, then we don't get it. That's a simple thing. Okay, so like for now, Narendra is Singh is saying that we submit the data, we submit the project, but I didn't get it because your data is not available in the form. I think you didn't submit the form. So submit the form, we will get the data. So no need to ask every time. There is no make sense to ask for the each project. Okay, until now we only got how many people? I will tell you, 11 people. Okay, so let's do. Okay, got it. Yeah, every time you have to fill the form, then only we will able to get it. Okay, so that is necessary. Systems work like this only for now. Soon we will give them more automation, but we need the time. There are a lot of things are going here and there. Okay, okay then people, bye, take care, we'll meet on Friday. And yeah, got it, bye, take care, Shubhratri, bye everyone, take care, tada.